Did you know a truck painter fooled police for 20 years while becoming America's most prolific serial killer? In 1982, Gary Ridgway seemed like the perfect neighbor in Seattle. He painted trucks by day, ushered at church on Sundays, and smiled at everyone he met. But at night, he hunted women along the Green River, using his work routes to find perfect dump sites. He killed 49 women, maybe more. The twisted part? He actually joined search parties looking for his own victims. He passed multiple lie detector tests while bodies piled up in his garage. For months, he would return to have sex with decomposing corpses hidden in the woods. Police had no idea the helpful volunteer searcher was their killer. For 2 decades, he painted trucks while storing bodies at home. Finally, in 2001, DNA evidence caught him. When he confessed, he couldn't even remember how many women he'd murdered. He got life in prison, showing zero remorse for his decades of horror.